நாம இப்போ வஜ்ராசன் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணலாமா? மேட்டுக்கு பின்னால போயிட்டு உக்காந்துக்கோ, முட்டிக்கால் போடு. Sit on the heel now. Okay, keep your back straight now. Keep your hands on the knees. Keep the head straight and gently close your eyes. Keeping your eyes closed, be there for a short while and start observing. Close your eyes. Open your eyes only when I tell you. Keeping the eyes closed, observe your natural breathing. This asana is very powerful because it really improves your digestive fire. It improves your ability to get nourishment from your food. And this is the only asana that can be done after having a meal. Since today we are focusing on practices that will improve your nourishment, since we are talking about how to eat properly, we are teaching you this Vajrasana. Apart from a powerful practice to improve digestion, this practice also stimulates the Vajra Nadi, which is responsible for improving memory, improving concentration also. Now, from this practice, he is going to demonstrate to you the next practice, which is called as Marjari Asana. Are you ready for Marjari Asana? So, measure one arm's distance from your knee. Slowly come up to the cat pose. Keep your hands slightly separated, legs slightly separated. Very nice. Now, along with breath that comes in, slowly lift your head up and make your back like a bowl. Along with outgoing breath, slowly drop your head down. And while you're dropping your head down, lift your mid back as high as you can. You have to lift your back upward as much as you can. And you can make the noise like a cat. Are you a naughty cat? Meow, meow. You can make sound like that if you want. Again, when breath comes in, slowly raise your head up and move your abdomen down like a bowl. Again, when breath goes out, slowly drop your head down and raise your back as high as you can. So now we are going to do 5 more rounds. Okay? When breath goes out, you drop your head down, lift your back up, drop your head down and lift your back up. Push your back as high as you can. Very good. And when breath comes in, slowly raise your head up and move the abdomen down. Do 4 more times on your own. 4 தடவை நீயே பண்ணு. Marjari Asana is similar to how a cat moves its body early in the morning when it wakes up. The cat teaches us that we have to do exercise as soon as we wake up in the morning. This stretches the spine, improves the flexibility, improves the digestive fire, and keeps your energy level very high. You will never get a back pain sitting in the class for a long time in your school. Many days you get back pain, no? Huh? Do you get back pain sitting in the class? So if you do this practice, you will never get a back pain. Okay. Now go back and sit in Vajrasana. Once again, toes should be pointing outward, back should be straight. Close your eyes. Keeping your eyes closed, observe how you feel in your back. Observe how you feel in your spine. Observe how you're breathing. Very nice. Rub your palms against each other. Place the palms on the eyes. Do palming. கண்ணாடி கழட்டி பண்ணணும். Gently drop the hands down and open your eyes. So now we are going to do the practice of Tadasana. What is Tadasana? Palm tree. How the palm tree will be? Short tree, no? Short tree. Palm tree is a tall tree. Pane maram terima. Like that you are going to become tall. Shall we go into the practice now? Okay. Keep your legs half a feet apart. You can measure it by one fist and one thumb. Can you measure and show how to keep the gap? Very good. Now keep your legs in that position. Drop the hands by the side of the body. Keep the head straight. Close your eyes. And observe whether your body is shaking from side to side or is it still like a pillar. Your body should become like a pillar. If it has become still, open your eye, choose some point in front of you, fix your gaze on that point. In this practice, if you don't want to lose your balance, you have to fix your gaze on that particular point, and because of that, this practice helps you improve your concentration also. Okay. Now, interlock your fingers. Bring the hands, interlock the fingers, interlock, and bring the hands, place it on top of the head. Very good. Now slowly, along with the incoming breath, stretch yourself upward. Stretch as much as you can till the side of the hand touches the ear. Slowly come back to starting position. Keep your leg down. Very good. Once again, along with incoming breath, slowly raise yourself up. Nicely, full stretch. Very good. Along with outgoing breath, slowly back to starting position. Third time, up with incoming breath. You can stretch more, little more, little more. If you lose balance, don't worry, we'll start again. Slowly come back to starting position. Fourth round, Panlama. Along with incoming breath, up, full stretch, full capacity. Along with outgoing breath, slowly down. No 5 round niye pandriya. Please do 5 more rounds on your own. Now, Tadasana will really be helpful to improve your height. I know you want to become little taller, right? So when you do this practice, it stretches your body and makes your lung breathe a little more. And when you get more oxygen, then more portions of your brain will become active. And this practice also opens up the abdomen region. Therefore, it improves digestion. Okay, when you finish 5 rounds, you may slowly bring the hands down, bring the legs together, close your eyes, and observe how you feel now. Observe how you feel in your fingertips, palms, wrist, forearm, upper arm, shoulder, neck, back, spine, chest, abdomen, and then gently open your eyes. Suruppugar, shall we do the practice of Tiryak Tadasana? So, can you come to the base position? Keep your legs wide apart, beyond your shoulders. Can you keep your feet turned outside and show that it is wrong? Can you keep it? Yeah. So you should not keep the legs turned like this. Tiruppagal is showing you how it should not be done. Now he is going to show you how it should be done. Toes have to be pointing to the front. Fantastic. Now slowly take your hands above the head by the side. Interlock the fingers above the hand. Turn your palms upward. Give yourself a nice upward stretch and make your face pleasant with a beautiful smile. It should not appear as though we are torturing you. Correct? Now, when your breath goes out, along with the outgoing breath, slowly bend your left side without tilting the body, slowly down to your left side. When breath comes in, come back to center. Push your hands up once again. And when breath goes out, slowly to the right side. Very nice. Can you repeat 4 more rounds on each side? In the same way, when breath goes out, you go to the side. When breath comes in, you return to center. Like this, you'll do 4 more rounds. Now, when you do Tiryak Tadasana, you will develop a zero size waist and a broad shoulder. Did you watch the movie Bahubali? How did the hero have the shoulders? Have you seen the shoulders of Swami Vivekananda? So broad they are. And the hip will become very small. You look like a strong and a healthy person. This practice is very powerful in strengthening your back muscles, your shoulders, your chest muscles. It also improves your strength on both sides of the hip, and it also improves your digestive power. You become a flexible and strong person. Now, if you want to take a small break, you take the hands by the side down, close your eyes for a moment, and when you feel you are ready, you can do 5 more rounds. If you want to adjust the position of your legs, if your legs are too much wide apart, you can adjust your legs, keep them in a proper position. Very nice. Do 5 more rounds on your own. This Tadasana, the Tiryak Tadasana, the next practice that we are going to do, Kati Chakrasana, don't turn the body. Okay? When you're going down to the side, body should remain straight, head should remain up. Very nice. So when breath is going out, you bend to the side. When breath is coming in, you come back to center. So this Tadasana, Tiryak Tadasana, Kati Chakrasana, Marjari Asana and Vajrasana. This, they are called as TTK, Marjari and Vajrasana series. They are very powerful practices, very easy practices, which will make you a strong, healthy, agile, flexible person. When you finish 5 rounds, you can slowly drop your hands by the side, bring your legs together, close your eyes, and observe for a short while how you feel. Observe your breathing. All of you, please close your eyes. You should not keep your eyes open and keep seeing here and there. Whoever is watching the program now, I want all of you to close your eyes and observe your breath. Observe your heartbeat. You can even keep your hand on the chest and feel your heart. It will be beating faster. Is it beating faster? So observe that. And observe how you are breathing. You will find that you are breathing deeply. When you breathe deeply, lot of oxygen goes into the body and your brain will awaken up. Now your brain is like a sleeping city. If it awakens up, you will become like Swami Vivekananda. You will become a genius. So how many of you want to become a genius? All of you who wish to be healthy like a genius, you should do this practice every day. Now drop your hand down. Gently open your eyes. Thank you. So Tripugar, now we are going to do Kati Chakrasana. Okay? So please keep your legs shoulder width apart. Very good. Keep your head straight. Raise your hands to shoulder level. So all of you are following. No, you should not raise your hands above the shoulder. Should be at shoulder level. Turn your head and see your hands. Very good. Now, observe your breathing slowly. When breath goes out, turn to the left side. Yes. Ah. Slowly come back to center when breath comes in. Again, when breath goes out, turn to your right side. Like this, you're going to do 5 rounds slowly. Whenever breath goes out, you will twist. Whenever breath comes in, you will come back to center. Okay? So, Tiryak Tadasana, Kati Chakrasana, and Tadasana. All these three standing practices, they work on your spinal cord. If you see, he is twisting the body when breath is going out and he is coming back to center when breath is coming in. Now he will increase the speed from the next round. He will purposefully breathe out through the nose, forcefully, and twist from side to side like that. Breathe out, twist nicely. Breathe out. Don't just take the hand, twist the body also. Breathe out. Ah. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Very good. Twist the body fully as much as you can. When you complete 5 times, the next 5 rounds you are going to do with a big sound. Ha! Like that. Not only the hand. Not only the hand. The whole body has to twist. Ah. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So this practice, Kati Chakrasana. Kati means waist. Chakra means here twisting from side to side. So when you complete 5 times, drop your hands down, close your eyes, bring your legs together, and observe how you feel now. Observe your heartbeat, observe your breathing, observe how you feel inside your hip, observe how you feel in your rib cage, observe how you feel in your spinal cord, mudugulla. Observe how you feel in your shoulders, hands, arms, fingers. Observe how you feel inside your neck. And gently open your eyes.